As the US and other countries continue their research to better understand COVID-19, there's a buzzword at the center of many recovery plans.
The NIH, CDC, and FDA are also currently validating several antibody tests.
The FDA is currently working on an antibody test.
The other test is an antibody test.
So we want to work with mayors around the United States as those antibody tests become available.
Antibody testing is different than a simple diagnosis test, which looks at the fragments of the virus in the body. An antibody test goes deeper and looks at the body's immune response.
So what the antibody test tells you is 2 weeks or longer before, have you been infected with this virus? So what happens is when a virus gets into your body, your immune system goes a little bit nuts. There's part of the immune system called the innate immune system, and that responds to danger signals. And so that will give you a fever and you feel terrible. But what kicks in next are the T cells and the B cells, and the B cells are the ones that make antibodies. So what these are is proteins that will coat the virus and hopefully neutralize it and block its ability to infect cells.
These disease-fighting antibodies may give those who have recovered from coronavirus immunity from contracting it again. Blood plasma from these individuals could then be given to sick and at-risk people, providing them with antibodies they need to ward off coronavirus. This type of treatment is called convalescent plasma.
The idea behind convalescent serum or plasma is that you can collect blood plasma from people, make sure that it's free of diseases and has kind of the right amount of antibodies to make sure you think it'll work, and then you give it to someone who either might be at risk of disease, like a healthcare worker, as a preventive measure, or you could give it as a treatment potentially.
But in order for this to happen, a lot of testing needs to take place first. Many hospitals are racing to set up clinical trials that would be open to patients who meet specific criteria.